Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the audio and project are ready. Import the audio and enable Smart Tempo in the project settings so Logic can analyze timing. Run Analyze on the audio region or use Tap Tempo if the audio is loose. This gives a tempo estimate. Once done, set the project tempo to the detected value or choose Follow to lock project tempo to that audio. This prevents later mismatches and prepares you to quantize or flex the performance accurately. Now you correct timing with flex time and transient markers. Enable flex and pick the algorithm that matches the source, monophonic for single instruments, polyphonic for full mixes, because the algorithm preserves transients differently. Quantize by selecting markers and applying a grid value, but reduce strength to retain groove. For stubborn beats, open the audio track editor and drag transient markers manually. This gives you precise control and keeps the performance natural rather than robotic. Finish by committing your fixes. Bounce in place or export to lock the timing changes and free CPU. Once bounced, listen back against the original to check feel and use short crossfades at edits to remove clicks. If you hear warbling or artifacts, make sure to switch the flex algorithm, try slicing or speed, or lower flex intensity and nudge markers manually. If problems persist, revert to the original and reapply smaller edits. This iterative approach keeps quality high while preserving groove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.